How are you doing? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs. Time for a bit of a mixed bag vlog, old school. Don't expect much productivity. I've just come back from the weekend away with the lads, so I'm not firing on all 8 cylinders, to be fair. And had some sad family news whilst I was away. My stepmummy, Winnie, passed away. She was terminally ill, so it's not totally unexpected, but she passed away on Saturday night when I was away, so I'm not fucking feeling great, to be fair. Anyway, let's see what we're up to. Right, the Swede, the big Swede, has just been tripled down. Yeah, my phone's telling me I'm short of memory for a long video. I don't think this will be one. That's ready for our Mark to come and collect. He's on his way, so that's going out. Happy days. Mr. Musto, our Andy. Hola, my amigo, is picking this up on Tuesday, so that's going out next week. This is. It's Thursday today. I've got a couple of little things that I just want to touch on that before it goes, but nothing major. It just needs a hole drilling for a wire, shit like that. So that's good news. And our PJs, it was plastic joke, but it does bear a certain resemblance to an Iranian comedian. So that P has been changed to something less family friendly, or PC. So we've got PJs to finish. There's a few bits that will be done on that very shortly. Unfortunately, our Chris, bless him, Chris Beebe, 72, recovered from cancer. Well, still recovering from cancer, here we go again like. And he's ditched it at the weekend when we were away. Bless him, not ditched it, it weren't horrific, but the damage to the petrol tank is. And I've seen his bruises, fucking Jesus, bless him. So we need to find a petrol tank for this, because this one is fuck beyond repair in my opinion. Yeah, fucked up beyond repair. It's foobarred. And another Chris, the little Ironhead Sportster, and it is an Ironhead this time. I know I fucked up on the last video. Thank you for pointing that out to me. Your feedback is appreciated. That's got just a few bits and bobs, one of which is an electrics box, which I've been putting off, to be fair. Chris knows I have, but he's not in a rush. It's one of them when you can jobs, but we will be getting on that. Oh yeah, now my Zephyr, that's my Zephyr, look. Happy days, Zephyr 1100. Don't see many now. Bit of a classic, might cut it up, might not. I was told I couldn't when I was given it, so that's changed since. Anyway, the exhaust rotted off. Look. So we put the stainless replacement that we already had on it, and it's always run a bit fluffy, but it's running fluffier than it was before. So that exhaust came off a finished Street Fighter type bike thing that someone had built, but it came with a set of carburetors that have been used, so I might change carbs, see if that sorts out the fluffy running, because it'd be nice to do a bit and go a few places with our Lizzie on the back. Which kind of brings us to the dyno, which is again a family bike. I've made a list again, I'm big on my lists, and I've got to look at fitting the discs and calipers that I've got. I have got a kit. You can get a kit that comes with a CNC plate, and it's cheaper than I could make it for, and designed to do it perfectly, I'm hoping. So I'm going to try the disc on, try the caliper on, put a hooter mount I've got, because I'm having an hooter on it, as you do, somewhere. Go and mount the hooter. I'm pretty sure it was up here before on something, so I might replicate that, because I quite like the look of the hooter in the middle. Kind of goes with the headlight. And then I think we're stripping it down. Off to the beauty parlour with it. Bit of welding and cleaning up, then shot blasting, powder coating. polishing and cleaning. Oh yeah, I've got to shave these blocks off the forks. I want these to be as round as that, or near as fuck it is to swearing. So them corners have got to come off, and I think I can get it in the old lathe. Speaking of which, regular readers will see there's an omission of the DRO, to which I commonly refer, to which I frequently fucking refer, and it's gone because it's fucked, and I bought a new one. Right, here we go. This is the story of how things are for me. Bought a new one, yeah, bit the bullet, weren't that expensive, Chinese no doubt. Didn't work. So I messaged them, and it's took a week to get to the point where they've got mad. Look, doing this fucker. Rewiring, there's the standard plug, look, all stripped out of its casing. There's the casing. These go in the back of the machine, the back of the readout, and they work from these scales. There's a scale under this cover with a reader here, look, and that's where the wire is that comes out this end. So from the scales, they get an input for the readout to calculate and use, and nothing didn't work. I could not turn the handles and make the numbers change on the dial, on the display, so they got me rewiring it. What the fuck's, oh yeah, your wiring's wrong on your scale, you need to do this. So I did. Did it work? Did it fuck? So that's going back, and I found one exactly the same as the knackered one on the old eGay, yeah, and I bid on it, and I'll have that. I've got to rewire that back to standard, obviously, but fingers crossed, that should be up and running soon enough. Which is good, because under here is our mixed Triumph. Hey, Triumph triple. There's a clue with the carbs. Look, someone's nicked one. You gotta love a trummer. So this is mixed engine, tank, other bits. Forks and wheels are both here. These are originally out of my dyno, so we've come full circle. Exhaust to modify, and all the other bits and bobs. That night, lovely mudguard, he did well finding that. I'm waiting for a swing arm, because we're going to do a swing arm frame with that, but I need the lathe, and I need an accurate lathe to be able to do that, like, so we're moving in the right direction.
It's engineering, it's a trial, it's Ralfy, you crazy fool! Come on, Ralfy! Look at that! You crazy fool! It stands from knots. Come on, Dan.
There you go. I'll end on a high. Just a bit of a recap. I'm not being most productive for obvious reasons, and I will resume normal service as soon as possible. I'll catch you on the next one. It just leaves me as always to say thanks for watching. Big love, everyone, and I will see you soon. Take care.